Welcome back to English Vocabulary Channel. Do you always say, I'm happy, I'm sad, or I'm angry? What if I told you there are dozens of better words to express your feelings more accurately? In today's video, you'll learn powerful emotion words that will help you sound more natural, expressive, and fluent in English. Let's upgrade our vocabulary. Section 1. Why emotion words matter. Using the right emotion word helps you express yourself clearly, sound more fluent and confident, improve speaking and writing, especially for exams like IELTS. Instead of basic words, you'll learn precise vocabulary today. Section 2. Words for happy. Replace happy with 1. Joyful, meaning very happy. She felt joyful after hearing the good news. 2. Excited, meaning very happy and energetic. I'm excited about my trip. 3. Delighted, meaning very pleased. I'm delighted to meet you. 4. Content, meaning calm and satisfied. He feels content with his life. 5. Thrilled, meaning extremely happy. She was thrilled to win the prize. Section 3. Words for sad. Replace sad with 1. Upset. She was upset after the argument. 2. Depressed. He felt depressed for weeks. 3. Heartbroken, meaning extremely sad. She was heartbroken after the breakup. 4. Disappointed. I'm disappointed with the results. 5. Miserable. He felt miserable in that situation. Section 4. Words for angry. Replace angry with 1. Annoyed. I'm annoyed by the noise. 2. Frustrated. She felt frustrated with her progress. 3. Furious, meaning very angry. He was furious about the mistake. 4. Irritated. I get irritated easily in traffic. Section 5. Words for scared. Replace scared with 1. Nervous. I feel nervous before exams. 2. Anxious. She's anxious about the interview. 3. Terrified, meaning extremely scared. He was terrified during the storm. Section 6. Calm and positive emotions. 1. Relaxed. I feel relaxed after meditation. 2. Peaceful. The place feels peaceful. 3. Grateful. I'm grateful for your support. 4. Proud. She felt proud of her achievement. Section 7. Fun practice activity. Let's practice. I'll give you a situation. You choose the best emotion word. Situation 1. You won a prize. Situation 2. You failed a test. Situation 3. Too much noise around you. Now your turn. Comment. How do you feel today using one new word? Section 8. Quick recap. Today we replaced basic words like happy, sad, and angry with more powerful words like thrilled, miserable, furious, and peaceful. Which new emotion word will you use today? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more English vocabulary lessons. Stay tuned for a new video.